just controlled it with his back. Neymar, just by doing that, I think, incensed his teammates.
Equal to it, he's been dispossessed by Verratti though, and how about that from Neymar? Brilliant. Quite incredible from the Brazilian. From Neymar, and this was quite sensational. That
You may have seen that Neymar was adjusting his kit. I don't think it was an injury problem. He was just sorting out his clothing. Trick from him. The nutmeg by Neymar. Cheeky on Plasciel.
Quite something. Here's Verratti.
Only through the legs, Dave, only through the legs.
Kurzawa and Neymar with a nutmeg on Forrest. Those dancing feet, which have been doing good work in the nightclubs of late by the sounds of it.
Out of trouble, Neymar. But the Montpellier players not happy with Neymar's showboating.
Yeah, I think they're still talking about that handball in these parts. It's Neymar.
The most glamorous venue for Neymar today to be showing off his skills, but it's a lovely playing surface. Dijon perhaps.
Neymar.
Neymar will have enjoyed that against Andy Delors. The
Jabba nearby. Oh, lovely from Neymar. Brilliant play. Cavani goes down again. He's looking for a second penalty kick. And
brilliant touch by Neymar.
Against allegedly the second best team in France, away from home, but they'll have to go some now. Continue on Neymar. Lovely skill again by the Brazilian. There you go.
There's lovely skill.
Neatly done by Neymar and the Rabona cross, but just dollied up nicely for Samata.
And now Neymar. Neymar still in the penalty area, and his shot is only just wide. Super skills from Neymar. Absolutely brilliant from the Brazilian. Going between Sarr and Sanson.
Here's Neymar. Oh, little kick out there by Teodorchuk.
Audacious, it's still potentially alive. Oh, what about that from Neymar? Denied.
But then the skill on the byline, putting it through the legs of the defender. Well parried, but this is just outrageous.
Neymar. Oh, beautifully done, Neymar.
Neymar's going through the full repertoire now. They'll all be trying that one in the playground tomorrow.
Made amends, and now Neymar accelerates. Oh, beautifully done. Neymar. He's on his way now. The no-look pass for Di Maria. What a goal this will be. Saved by Ukidja. There's that run again from Neymar.
here he is again.
The Referee Jérôme Brizard stepping in, and Neymar showing him up afterwards.
Well, that's just showing off. Neymar. I think that's what Corentin thought as well.